Hello, James Stewart here. I've had a bit of a shave, so I've lost some of my hacking powers. But anyway, I've made a bit of a discovery in Super Mario 64 and solved a mystery concerning the beta key to do with Big Boo's haunt. Now, I'm using my camera recorder mainly because capture software stinks. Well, mine does anyway. So I can't use my capture card with the emulator. But anyway, I'll just turn this around. These are my notes, by the way, if you ever wondered, my hacking notes. I do type up a lot on the computer, but I do write down a lot as well, and it serves as a backup. So these are all my notes about the Japanese version, no spine. There's my capture card. Oh, you lovely capture card. It's connected to my N64, which is underneath. Right. So here we have my laptop. Now I'm going to start by loading up the PAL ROM, okay? Right, and I'm going to, I don't think you can quite see that, but basically there's this display in all versions of the game. In the PAL version it shows up as a German character because the right character isn't there. So let's just start the game and I'll show you what I mean. Right, can you see the whatever they're called in the German version, okay? And in the NTSC version, because those German U's aren't there, they show up as glitched up characters. So I found the code for the German version, the code for the Japanese version, and it works in both the original and the Shindu Rumble Pack version. And it answers a question what the display was to be used for. I thought perhaps it was an early red coin display or something. I'm going to turn my code on with the level select. Okay. Now let's go to Terrestrial, which is Big Boo's haunt. Okay, so far so good. Now, what I've done is I've modified the coin behaviour and swapped the blue coins, you know, that you get in the boos, with the key. And I've given it my own behaviour to show you what this display was for. Right, see the boos? See, they have the keys. Okay? See, the keys appear at the right of the screen, and that's what it was for. And the key character is only in the Japanese versions. So it was used to show you what keys you had collected, presumably in Big Boo's haunt, which is the only one that has the key graphics, you know, the small key and the castle courtyard with the boos. Now, I've only done the Japanese version so far. I can do other versions, but you'll have to edit the textures because there is no key character in any of the versions but the Japanese one. So there you are. That display was used to show what keys you collected in Big Boo's haunt. I've modified the coin behaviour so it displays how many keys you've collected instead of coins, and well, it could be expanded upon so that you could then use the keys to unlock doors. But just wanted to show you that mystery solved. There we go.